Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution Final Edition, and I personally love Lancers because this is one of the cars which has been uh, in my brain since my childhood because there used to be a guy in my colony, he used to have a Lancer. So back then, Lancers were very exotic cars in my country, at least. So we used to hide in some bushes or behind some walls, and we used to see that black Lancer which he had. So those are actually, it was a very old Lancer, like some I'm talking about around that 99, 2000, around that time. Okay, so the new Lancers are really awesome. We did do unboxing of the Lancer from, yeah, Fast and the Furious movie franchise. That was really nice. And this one being the second one. Okay, some kind of cardboard here. Thing for protection, I guess. Let's keep this aside for a minute. Okay, let's look at the casting here. So the initial impressions of this casting, it looks really nice, but it does have a scratch here in the paint job. That is disappointing. So apart from that, the paint job throughout the car, it looks really beautiful, and it looks even. It's a glittery gray. The logo placement looks really nice. Sad that they actually painted out the tail lights. The headlights are actually made of some kind of acrylic. So the logo placement looks really nice. So it doesn't have any openable parts or moving parts. It does have some interior detailing to it, as you can see now. So the body is made of metal, and this piece here, this is actually plastic. The spoiler is plastic. So the chassis is plastic. So the scale is 1:61, if you guys are wondering. And the rims are specific to this car. So it has this number plate also. It's really nice. Okay, let's do a suspension test. Yeah, it does have suspension. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. It rolls okay. Okay, I don't see any wheel wobble. It rolls good compared to other Tomicas, which we unboxed this week. Here's the exhaust details, as you can see. So the grill details are really nice. It is not just painted on, it is actually embossed. And it is heavy. The casting is really heavy. Hood details also looks really nice. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.